In this video, we will go over how to enable the option for visitors to favorite photos within your galleries, as well as how to view those selected favorites. To get started, go to the Galleries section of your Zenfolio account and expand the folders within your account to locate the gallery that you'd like to view. Within that gallery, click on Settings. From the settings, choose the favoriting option and turn favoriting on. Once favoriting has been turned on, visitors to the gallery can select photos as their favorites, and you can view those selections at any time. To do this, click on the Activity button within the gallery. From here, choose Favorites on the left-hand side. Within the Favorites section, you will first see the most favorited photos. This is not any particular visitor's selection of photos, but just a look at how many photos have been selected the most. Further down the page, under Favorites by Visitors, you can select a particular visitor to view their selection. In the window that appears, you will see a list of all the photos they've selected as favorites. You can use the Download All button to download the entire selection for any post-processing that is needed. You can also download each individual image. For more assistance, please contact our support team or visit our support center for more information.